Hello everyone, Bruce here from Panasonic, and in this video I'm going to talk about the brand new heat pump dryer that's just been introduced as part of the Panasonic Care Plus range of laundry products. Heat pump dryers are the latest in drying technology, and they work by extracting moisture from the hot air inside and condensing it into water while recycling the warm dry air back into the drum. This makes heat pump dryers much more energy efficient, which helps you save money on your power bills in the long run, and it's more gentle on your laundry due to the lower temperatures needed to dry. Panasonic's new heat pump dryers have an impressive 8-star energy rating for energy efficiency and a drying temperature range from 42 degrees to 72 degrees, which helps prevent shrinkage and damage to your fabrics. What I like about this is that despite the lower average drying temperature, drying cycles are still relatively fast, with none of the standard drying cycles taking longer than 2 hours. And if you've got something that you want dried urgently, there's a 35-minute quick dry cycle for anything like kids' uniforms or socks and underwear. The best thing about the JD1 for me is how easy it is to use. You just pick the drying program based on what you're putting into the dryer. You've got your standard cotton dry and a separate one for synthetics. Shirts and bedding, towels, baby stuff, wool, even down jackets, which is perfect for going into the cooler months. And what's really cool is almost all of these drying programs have a reverse cycle to detangle larger items while it still heats and dries your clothes. So when you pull everything out, it's fluffy and dry without taking longer. It also takes all the guesswork away in terms of setting a temperature and a time to dry, as it's equipped with intelligent sensor technology that automatically adjusts the drying time based on the moisture level of your laundry, ensuring optimal results every time. You can even set your dryness level up to level 3, which is for long-term storage situations. Taking a closer look inside, it comes with a drying rack for things like shoes, soft toys, and your wool jumpers, hats, or anything delicate and oddly shaped that you want to dry. This is really easy to remove when not in use, and if you are using it often, you don't have to take it out to clean the filters, which is right here and here. I love this. It also pairs really nicely with the rest of the Panasonic Care Plus range of washers and can be set up in a pigeon pair like this, and there's also a stacking kit option available with built-in sliding shelf, which is great for laundry cupboard setups in homes where space is a little more condensed. Lastly, when it comes to draining the water, you have two options. You can place it anywhere in the house as it is a fully enclosed unit and empty the tank after each cycle. Or it can be plumbed for continuous drainage, the same as your washing machine if you put it in your laundry room, so you can set and forget, which is awesome. And there you have it, that's the new Panasonic Heat Pump Dryer. If you're looking for more information on the Panasonic Care Plus range of laundry products, including the new Heat Pump Dryer, check us out online at panasonic.com, or have a look at the other video on the differences between heat pump dryers, condenser dryers, and vented dryers. Thanks for watching, see you next time.